Hi everybody, I'm Frank and welcome to my shop. This video is just a heads up on my channel for the next month. In May, I am going on vacation. One of my other hobbies is motorcycles. So I am going on a 2 weeks trip to Utah, mainly Moab, for some dirt bike riding with friends. And my schedule is full right now and I do not have time for new videos. I have to prepare for the trip, planning the route, maintenance on the motorcycles, do some practice runs to get in shape. Winter is long here, so my last dirt bike ride was last October, 6 months ago. For all of those reasons, and my full-time job, I have to postpone my videos on this channel to the beginning of June. Oh, and some of the subjects I have planned for future videos are Monoprice Mini Slicer setup, how to calibrate an auto-level printer like this one, linear advance in Marlin, new bed support for the big printer, what to do after a print finishes, X-axis leveling how-to. I will repair and tune an Anet A6 of a coworker, a low-budget TMC 2130 modifications and installation on this printer, and a bunch more. So I hope to see you all back in June. Have a lovely couple of weeks and keep on making 3D print great. Ciao, bye!